Joy.
Good morning, good morning everyone. Blessed Tuesday sa ating lahat, no? So, welcome po doon sa ating mga regular attendee dito sa ating Zoom at saka yung nanonood sa FB Live. So, welcome po. And my name is Joy Aison. Yan. Ako ginamit ko ang Herbalife sa maraming paraan. Una for weight loss, dating 80 kilos down to 60 kilos. Ginamit ko rin siya for prenatal nutrition. Ginamit ko for my recovery and I'm using Herbalife Nutrition for my healthy aging. Ang goal ko, dapat pagdating ko ng 60 years old, wala akong mini-maintain na any medication. And I'm so excited with my yung aging ba. So next year, 50 na. Yeah. So 10 years more, 60 na. Yes. Excited tumanda. Anyway, ang favorite product ko is aloe tea shake, PPP, yan. So, tapos na ako sa breakfast natin. So, may mga, lahat ng ano, di ba, ang sarap-sarap, umaga pa lang, meron ka ng tamang nutrition. And because of my result, ginagamit ko na rin to sa family ko. Ito yung breakfast namin. Ito yung aming ka-partner when it comes to nutrition every single morning. Ang work ko before, I work in a manufacturing company. It's a multitask job. Ang hindi ko gusto sa work ko ay delay ang sahod. But with Herbalife, I found the solution. Laki ng income potential. Magtrabaho ka lang, di ba? Keep on sharing. And then, yung tutulungan ka din ng ating community like this one, the BNC. So, tutulungan ka maging better person in all aspect of life, even the spiritual, pag every Sunday natin, nag-grow yung ating relationship with God. Kaya stick lang po dito sa ating community. And then, I'm so excited with my future, my healthier, brighter future with Herbalife. Ayan. So now, pag-usapan na natin ang ating topic for this morning. Yan. So glycemic index, high glycemic food versus low glycemic. So of course, this article is from our very own Susan Bowerman, ating Worldwide Nutrition Education and Training. Okay, next, let's understand what is the glycemic index or yung GI. No? Glycemic index is the system for ranking carbohydrates containing foods based on how quickly they raise blood sugar level. Okay, lahat ng pagkain pag pumasok sa ating katawan, sa ating bloodstream is sugar, called glucose. Sugar is important in our daily activities. It gives us energy. And sugar is also important in our brain functions, no? Different carbohydrates have a different effects on our blood sugar. Yan. What the glycemic does is to break food according to effects of the on our blood sugar level. Okay. Next, yung mga high GI food, ito yung mga pagkain na meron siyang value 55 and above. Okay? So ito yung nakaka-cause ng rapid increase in blood sugar level. So these food are typically high in simple carbohydrates and refined sugar. Ito yung mga pagkain na like yung white bread, white rice, white pasta, and yung mga processed food. Okay, so ano ang effect nito sa ating katawan? Can lead to energy crashes. Yan. So bumabagsak ang energy natin. Tapos, yung ating hunger increase. So maya gutom. And with that, dahil maya gutom, ang ano nito is potential gain weight. Okay. On the other hand, yung ating low glycemic food, yan, next po, ito yung mga nagre-range ng 55 and below. So, ito yung cause lower, more moderate increases in blood sugar level. Okay. Part of the reason ng ating low glycemic has effect on the sugar level is because of yung fiber. So it will digest and absorb yung food. No? Kaya hindi siya ganoon kabilis tumaas ang ating blood sugar level kapag low glycemic ang kinakain natin. And these food are found in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, beans, and legumes. Of course, pagka ganon, Ang kinakain natin ay low glycemic food, syempre na sustain yung energy. Okay? And hunger control. No? Natutulungan niya. Siyempre, mamamanage natin yung weight kasi hindi tayo kain ng kain. Hindi tayo palaging gutom. Diba? And with that, yan, next, we are so lucky that yung ating Herbalife Nutritional Shake Mix ay certified na low glycemic index. So meron siyang 15 to 20 na value na kahit na matamis yan, kahit dulce de leche, kahit na cookies and cream or chocolate man yan. So napaka sarap i-enjoy kasi hindi siya nakakataas ng ating sugar level. No, nakaka-manage siya ng ating hunger and yung ating energy ay sustain. Yan, kaya kahit ilang beses mo siya i-take, very safe kasi it's a low GI. Okay, next, why why low GI matters? Okay. So unang-una, syempre, blood sugar control, di ba? So it is very safe or beneficial dun sa mga taong merong diabetic kasi hindi nga siya nakakataas ng sugar level. And sa mga taong gustong ma-manage yung weight nila, pwedeng mag-lose weight, pwede din mag-gain or mag-maintain. And another thing, pag low GI ang ano natin, yung sabi nga kanina, energy level natin sustain, very stable, hindi ka lalamya-lamya, di ba? Throughout the day, very energetic ka. And yung hunger inside satiety natin is also uh, stable. Now, sabi din dito, low GI food, di ba? Can help you feel fuller for longer. Kasi nga, hindi ka palaging gutom, hindi ka din kakain ng kakain. And with that, nare-reduce yung overall calorie intake natin. Kaya always choose yung mga low glycemic index. So, meron tayong mga guide dyan. So, ask natin yung ating mga coaches. And we are also lucky and blessed that Herbalife next po, that Herbalife Nutrition is our partner for our best life. And dito sa Philippines, we are recognized as a super brand because of the seal of product quality. So I hope meron kayong learned today. So thank you so much. Back to you, to our beautiful host, Coach Noemi, Ate Noemi. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, thank you. Good morning again. Good morning sa ating mga guests na nandito ngayon. Meron tayong first-time guest, si Ma'am Ellen Desi. Good morning from Pasig City. So, yung mga naririto po kasama natin, let's keep on sharing the link para naman po mas marami tayong matulungan. Okay.